has a soft spot for this one American man, ex-United States President Donald Trump. Why is Trump more famous than his trade policies in India, you ask?
We have great support from India. We have great support from Prime Minister Modi, and I would think that the people, Indian people, would be voting for Trump.
Well, let's start with Trump's stance against terrorism. Trump's bold approach in dealing with nations like Pakistan, known for harboring terrorists, strikes a chord with many Indians who have faced a brunt of such threats. And then there is his no-nonsense attitude towards economic giants like China. Indians admire his willingness to confront China over unfair trade practices, something that resonates deeply in a country striving for economic growth and self-reliance. 50% Indians had confidence. This is a higher mark than what Trump received in most countries, according to a Pew Research survey released in 2020. But it's not just about his policies. Indians love Trump for his larger-than-life persona. He's a showman, a maestro of spectacle, and in a country where celebrations are grand and colorful, Trump fits right in. His love for big crowds mirrors India's own spirit of exuberance. Trump revels in the energy of his supporters, and Indians reciprocate with equal fervor. Meet Busa Krishna, a dedicated farmer in South India who worshipped Trump as a deity and mourned deeply when Trump contracted COVID-19. He erected a life-size statue of Trump, performed daily Hindu rituals, and even fasted as a sign of solidarity with his idol. Despite his rural setting, Krishna sought to meet Trump during his visit to India, but never got the chance. Krishna's extraordinary devotion elevated him to a minor celebrity status in India, evoking both admiration and curiosity nationwide. Tragically, he passed away. Krishna is just one example of Trump's massive fan following across India. Trump's camaraderie with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi isn't just political, it's personal. Both the leaders share a nationalist streak, a commitment to the nation's greatness, and that bond transcends borders. So when Trump sets foot on the Indian soil, he's not just another foreign leader. He's a symbol of shared values, of hope for a stronger partnership between United States and India. Indian Americans whose families legally migrated to the US for study or work find appeal in Trump's economic agenda, particularly the 2017 tax cuts. However, Trump's decisions, such as removing India from a trade preference program and Trump asserting involvement in the India-Pakistan conflict over Kashmir at the behest of Modi, have stirred discontent within the community. Some Indian Americans disapproved of Trump's policies that contradict their interests, such as those concerning education, immigration, and gun safety. Trump quoted Indian American support, addressing a crowd of 10,000 Indians with Trump for Hindu American signs in Edison, New Jersey during his first campaign.
Fan of Hindu, and I am a big fan of India. Big fan. If I'm elected president, the Indian and Hindu community will have a true friend in the White House, that I can guarantee you.
Despite his awkward declaration of admiration for Hinduism and India, over 80% of Indian Americans favored his opponent, Hillary Clinton, in the 2016 election. Notably, a wealthy Indian American businessman, Shalabh Kumar from Illinois, contributed nearly $1 million to Trump's campaign that day and Republican National Committee during that election cycle. With a population of more than 4.9 million, Indian Americans make up approximately 1.35% of the US population. According to reports in his re-election campaign, Trump is even looking to appeal to Indian American voters who are a growing force in the US that has generally backed Democrats. Republicans have been trying for years to make inroads with the Indian Americans, one of the fastest growing ethnic groups in the United States, who register and vote at high rates.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.